Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Hive. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now here on the monthly chart, we can go ahead and plot our monthly swing high here. And we can also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low. This is the lowest point, price came down, hit, and reversed drastically. Now we also notice a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting to the level as support and resistance. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly chart so we can see more price action. Now, here on the weekly, we can go ahead and plot a key level right here, as this is our weekly swing high. As we can see, candle bodies close here, getting rejected and reversing drastically to the downside. We can also notice a key level here, where we see multiple reactions. We can go ahead and plot a key level here, where we see multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. We can go ahead and plot a key level here, where we see multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. And a final level right here. Notice how we have multiple reactions acting as resistance, support, resistance, and we see price break through from this level and reacting to this key level here as well. Now we can go ahead and plot a key level right here, as this is the most recent level of resistance. So, zooming out, these are all of our key levels plotted on the weekly and monthly time frames. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.